Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can capitalize on the upcoming Major League Baseball season that's getting ready to start here in about 3 days from the posting of this video. And you can make about $100 per day using this particular method that I'm going to show you. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video here. And I'm going to flip over to my other monitor here right now and get you started. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. If this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, well, while we're talking about it and you're thinking about it, just go ahead and reach down there right now, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that I can notify you of upcoming videos that I upload pretty recently here, or fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty guys, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started into this video. Kind of anxious to show this to you. As you know, the baseball season is coming up here in about 3 days. It's getting ready to start because it hasn't been a full baseball system because of this coronavirus issue that we've been experiencing in our world today, and a lot of sports were even shut down, as well as everything that's going on in the world outside of that even. But Major League Baseball is getting ready to start up here again, and they're going to have about a half of a season, and I believe they're actually going to go through and play clear through the World Series and all that too. So, but in this method, I'm going to show you how you can capitalize on this and make about $100 per day with this using a ClickBank product. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this right here. What we're going to do first, we're going to come to ClickBank, right? If you don't have an account with ClickBank, it's free to create one. Just go ahead and create at clickbank.com and click on Create an Account. It's free. Create it and save your affiliate ID or nickname. And what you want to do then, you want to click on the Marketplace up here, and it brings you over here to the Marketplace page, as you see right here. And then you want to come down here in the column on the left. You see all the different categories here that you can promote, and you want to click right here where it says, let me get my magnifying glass up here so I can sort of help you guys be able to see this a little bit better. And you want to come up here where it says betting systems right here and click on betting systems. And when you do that, it'll bring you over here to the betting systems page, as you see right here. And it's going to be this first one right here at the top: betting gods, professional sports tipsters, and betting experts. As you know, there are a lot, the market out there for sports betting is just absolutely huge, and there are a lot of people that get involved in this. And I mean, there's just an amazing amount of people that like to bet on sports of all kinds, not just baseball, but horse racing, car racing, golf, I mean, you name it, football, basketball, it's all sports are able to be betted on, and people make money doing this. Now, you see right here that this particular program, it's got about a 35 gravity on it right here, right there, 35.14, which is good. Anything over 30 is usually pretty good. It means that it's there's quite a few people selling it and doing good with it. And you see with this particular product right here, you can make $50.54 per sale. So if you make 2 of those in one day, which I would say is, with the method that I'm going to show you here, is going to be fairly easy to do. Okay, so but $50.54 per sale on this. And if we click on the sales page right here, this link right here at the top, it brings us over here to this page right here. And this is the actual page that you're going to be promoting right here. And the nice thing about this is there's free betting tips from expert tipsters. That right away is that's the first attraction to someone who's into sports betting, because every person that's into sports betting is always looking to get an edge, right? Some way that can help them make even more money and be more accurate in their betting so that they can make more money, right? So that's what makes this a good market right here, particularly with baseball coming up here in just a little bit. And you can see that this site here, there's a couple other places right here. You see it's been talked about all over the internet, and this particular site and this page here, and you can meet the top tipsters here. The people can come over here and learn about each one of these tipsters here. In fact, and they have their free betting tips right here, as you can see. So you can actually have people come over here and they can get free tips the different bets that they want to put on. These right here look like, I think these are all games right here, or basketball and horse racing, some of this Aussie football, they got horse racing, and then other English football, which I believe is like what we call, in America we call English football soccer, but they actually call it football over there as well too. And then you can view today's tips if I click here, and they got a blog that talks about betting, and then you can see reviews of other members they can read about, and so on and so forth, and then some questions here. And then they can join for free. Come over here to the affiliates page. If we come back and we click right here on the affiliates link that you see right here, and that will bring us over here to this, and we can have a look for ourselves how we're going to be able to make money with this. Now, you can see here it says promote our tipsters. Over $800,000 is paid out in commissions, and they're saying here that the average sale is about $113 that an average affiliate makes per day. So that's why I say if you sell 2 of them, you should per day, 2 of these memberships per day, you should be able to make about $100. Okay. And then you can apply as an affiliate here, but this isn't where we're going to get our promote link from. We're going to get it right from ClickBank ourselves right here by clicking on promote, and then so on and so forth. You can come down here and promote the free racing tips, free horse racing, football. It doesn't matter. You can even promote an individual tipster here, and so on and so forth for each particular category of sports. NHL, greyhound, dog racing. I mean, there's car racing, and so on. I mean, it just golf, and just it goes on, basketball, and it goes on and on here. And each one of these individual tipsters, if you want, you can promote them as well. Okay, or just the basic sales page you can promote too. But for our example here today, we'll just be promoting the basic sales page. Okay, how are we going to promote this? Well, first of all, we're going to come back to ClickBank. We're going to simply click on promote right here, and that brings up this page right here. And then you want to make sure that your affiliate nickname or account nickname is in there. If you want, you can put a tracking ID in there and call it betting or something like that. It's your choice, but I'm not going to do that for this particular video. And then you just want to click on generate your hop links, and you see it gives you the ugly old long ClickBank link right here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to copy this link. All right, and then of course after that you're going to bring it over to bit.ly.com. right, you want to shorten it up because of how I'm going to show you how to do this. You'll want to have your link shortened up. So you come to bit.ly, and it's just a matter of pasting your link in there, and then click shorten, and it gives you this nice short bit.ly link. Now, what you want to do here, I've came up with a little script that you guys can use right here. If you see right here, it says, here's how my mentor makes a 20% return on investment return month over month. It says, in fact, you can even have a free betting tip to check him out. And then it says click here, and then you would insert your affiliate link right here. Now you guys can copy this down if you want, or simply just write your own. It's something similar to this, all you need, and then just make sure that you put your affiliate link in there. You want to paste your bit.ly link in there, like that. You see, well, I'd put in my ClickBank link, but nevertheless it would be the bit.ly link that you'd want to paste in there. Okay, after that, now how are we going to promote that? Well, there's several places you can do to promote this. I'm going to show you 2 ways right here, 2 places, and then I'm going to show you a whole bunch of other places and how you can find many, many, many places with lots of traffic to promote this particular script to people. One place that we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this site right here. It's called covers.com. You see it right here in the address bar. Covers.com. This is a sports betting site, and you want to get involved in their forum. If you click on forum, it brings you over to their betting forum, and as you can see right here, there's all kinds, I mean every sport you can think of is listed down here. So how much, let's just check out the traffic to this site and see how much traffic this particular site gets. So if I click on my similar web over here, it comes out. You see I've got covers.com on there, and if I scroll up, you can see that right now this site still gets about 500,000 visits, or almost a little better than 500,000 visits per month. If you look back here in January of this year, this site had 7.3 million visitors per month. Guys, that's a lot of traffic, but if you'll notice, it's come down quite a bit. Well, the reason for that is simply because of the coronavirus had pretty well shut down everything in our world for the last few months, right? All right, but right now you see it's beginning to come back up. And guys, I believe here in another 3 days, when Major League Baseball comes back up, that this number is going to come back up from 500,000. So it's going to come back up. It's going to be higher. It's going to be start going back up again. And if you look over here on this site, they do have Major League Baseball betting. And as you can see right now, there's about 510,000 people that are posting in this particular forum right now, and I imagine here in the next few days that this is going to go up a lot higher. So you can come into here, you can actually do this in any of these you want. It doesn't matter. I'm just using baseball because it's about to get started again here in a few days. So you can use whatever you want in these. Go into these forums here, and then you just simply post in your link right here, or your script with your affiliate link here into the forums, and then people will read that and want to say, well, how's he doing this? So they'll click your link, come over here to the site at the sales page here, and then they'll be able to get their free tip as well as checked out this thing. And if they sign up to this, and they, there's a trial on this, I believe they get like a few days trial with this. And if they sign up, you're going to make $50.54 per sign up. And guys, this also is a recurring monthly income, I do believe here. If I looked at, yes, it is right here. Look at this. There's a recurring monthly income right here of about $43 each and every month. So the more people you can get to sign up and join this particular membership on this site here for professional sports betting, then your chance to make even more than $100 a month. I mean, it just compounds itself. Okay, you can make quite a lot of money with this, as you can see right here. All right, so that's one place. You want to come to covers.com, and you want to paste your script into some of these forums here on this particular site right here. Just go in. You'll have to probably register for it, and then post your links with the script in the forums, all the different forums that you see here. I mean, there's college sports, and it goes on, general gaming, esports even, and it just on and on and on. There's quite a few things that you can get your link into here. The next place that you want to come is called Predictum. You can see it up here in the address bar. It's predictum.com. Predictum.com. And you can come here and you can look in their forums here, and so on and so forth. As you can see, they have all the sports: NBA basketball, college basketball, MLB basketball or baseball, NHL hockey picks, NASCAR, PGA golf, and soccer. It goes boxing, UFC boxing, horse racing. It goes on and on and on. And you can post your script with your affiliate link in each one of those forums and make your chance to get sales go up and up and up. And one other way that you can do this too, you can also go to facebook.com and do a search for sports community groups, and you will find tens of thousands of people in there that you can put in your script with your affiliate link in there to have them come over and check this out as well for you and make money that way. And then another thing that you can do is simply either, I'm using DuckDuckGo here, you can also use Google. It doesn't matter, whatever your favorite or latest search engine that you use, you can use that. And I just simply typed in right here, as you see, sports betting forums. And guys, you can see down through here, there are all kinds. Here's covers again right here, but there are all kinds of betting forums that you can post your put in your script with your affiliate links to this in here, and it just continues on and on and on. There is no ending of the amount of sports forums that you can do this with. So the opportunity to make probably more than $100 per day is really, really great. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today, is how you can make over $100 per day using sports betting in the betting system at ClickBank here, and make that pretty good money per day, I would say, and even greater than that if you be consistent with this and take action on that. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down there, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. If you want to see the money that I make and how much money I make in the business that I make money with, and you want to get involved in affiliate marketing similar to ClickBank here, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and come through my funnel and check out what's available for you there and see my #1 way to make money right there. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Make sure that you leave any comments or questions down below in the section, and I'll get back with you on that, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day today. Bye bye now.